Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. I'm in kind of a weird spot right now. I'm trying different spots, and of course this isn't the best with a doorknob and a closet door, etc. But this is where I'm going to film today. I am unboxing the January 2021 Petit Vour box. So I haven't looked at it yet, so I'm going to unbox it with you. I'm hoping that I might get a perfume and maybe some type of like eyeliner or something like that. That's just kind of my like secret hopes. I don't have any idea what's in here, so let's find out. All right, first thing I see is the card and all the details here. And this is just a little sneak peek as to what the box looks like. So we'll find out together what's in here. All right, first item. Voss, it's K-V-O-S-S. Bronzing Potion Glow Cream, $20 value. Instant luminosity, no filter needed. This sheer illuminating cream gives a natural looking, no makeup glow while moisturizing for a soft, radiant complexion. Perfect for all skin tones, 3 grams. Okay, actually this is awesome because I've been really like trying to up my makeup game. I just don't wear a lot, and I don't even have a bronzer, and I was thinking about trying to get a powder one soon or something, so this could be awesome. So let's see, the Bronzing Potion Glow Cream. Here is the box. It's a cute little pink box. Bronzing Potion, 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. Glow cream. It says coconut water and mineral mica. What it is: instant luminosity, no filter needed. K-Voss. Bronzing Potion is a sheer illuminating cream that imparts a natural, no makeup glow to all skin tones while moisturizing for a soft, radiant complexion. This ultra hydrating cream creates a subtle luster. The formula flatters all skin types and comes in 2 universal shades. Worn alone, over makeup, or as a highlighter, the lightweight bronzer delivers instant glow to the complexion. How to use: apply a thin, even veil to the face or targeted areas. Can be worn alone or over makeup for an instant glow. It's certified vegan, and it says the expiration says 12 months after opening. One thing that it's random that I find interesting is like the spacing is very bizarre on the box. I hope that focused for you, but they might need to work on that. Oh, maybe there's a little design in the middle. I don't know. If there is, I don't see it. Maybe it's me. This looks like a really good size to try. It's like saran wrapped, or not saran wrap, but you know, plastic wrapped. And let's check out the color together. We'll see, because the bronzer, oh, is that dark? Let's see. Wow. I would say that I would need to use a little, although, yeah, I mean, we definitely need to use a little, but maybe it'll work for my skin tone. I'll have to play with it. It's definitely darker than I thought. Maybe I'll just use like a little hint, and next time, like in my top step is usually sunscreen, so I'll just like dab a little in the sunscreen and spread it on and see how it works. It's January in New England, so I'm definitely open to a nice glow, and it did blend in actually really well with my hand because I have pretty fair skin, especially come the winter, or in the winter. So that's cool. I'm excited about that. I don't think I would have ever really thought to get a bronzer in this form, so this will be really fun to try. All right, next one up is sultry perfume. Yay, I did get a perfume. Inkling Scents, $15, 5 milliliters. Wearing this smooth fragrance is an exercise in seduction. Ooh. The base is creamy sandalwood and white amber. The heart is lotus flower, orchid, and Bulgarian rose, while the top is silky vanilla. I am excited about that. That sounds like something that I would like. Oh, I was so excited. I was just going to tear right into it. There's the box. Inkling Scents. Cruelty-free, vegan, natural, 100% natural, made in the USA. Cool. That's what it looks like. It's a little glass jar. Inklingsense.com if you want to check it out. Ooh, I like it. Dabbing it on my wrist. If only there was a way that we could just be like, oh, here, or here, smell it, you know? Maybe someday in the future that will be a thing we can do with cell phones. I wouldn't be surprised. I like it. That's good. I'm excited about this. I actually have never had like a clean perfume. So this will be awesome. And it's definitely, it's nice. I'll be interested to see like if my husband likes it and stuff. Great. Okay. The next item is Evan Healy Oil and Water Balancing / Calming Ritual, $10, 1 ounce. This serum mimics the skin's protective barrier. Add a generous misting of facial tonic to 2 drops of serum. Warm in palms and press into face. Okay. Oh, this is pretty big. Much bigger than the other ones. Evan Healy Oil and Water Balancing Ritual is ideal for dry, oily, and combination skin. Hydrates, moisturizes, and provides skin-loving antioxidants. USDA organic. It says Hydrosol 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. Serum 0.13 fluid ounces, 4 milliliters. Ingredients: organic rose geranium facial tonic. Hydrosol is rose geranium and hydrosol, I guess that's it. And organic rose hip treatment facial serum has things like rose hip seed, jojoba oil, jojoba seed oil, rose geranium oil, carrot seed essential oil, sandalwood, lavender flower oil, rose otto flower oil, vitamin E. It's organic. It says ritual of adaptability. Our balancing ritual centers around the plant rose geranium. Resilient rose geranium has a remarkable ability to harmonize all forms of oil and balance, making it a dream for dry, oily, and combination skin. The oil and water ritual is designed to align the skin with its highest potential and deepen your connection with your own innate beauty. Beyond purity. Since 1999, we have been guided by the principles of Evan's holistic approach to skincare. We view clean as the starting point. The absence of toxins alone does not translate to therapy, healing, nor vitality. Vegan, no GMOs, no parabens, no preservatives, not tested on animals. evanhealy.com. Last little description on the box here. Skin's protective barrier. Sweat glands and sebaceous glands work together to produce a thin coating of lipids, oil, and perspiration, water, called the acid mantle. The acid mantle is the skin's protective barrier against disease. While the delicate balance of acidity and alkalinity, which is known as the pH balance, that makes up the acid mantle is disrupted, the skin's ability to protect it is weakened. Combine the remarkable plant water, Hydrosol, with the silky oil serum found in this balancing ritual. Here we go. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little one up on a little shelf, it looks like. All right, so this is the Rose Geranium Facial Tonic Hydrosol glass bottle. Actually, it shows that it expires in December 2021, and here we are in January, so I have 12 months to use it. I don't think it's going to be too hard. I should probably just mist it in the air versus blasting my face with it. See? You always need to pump it a few times. Oh, definitely. All right, let's spray on my hand. Definitely smells rosy. Kind of like a first impression is a little bit of like a weird rose smell, or I don't love the scent of rose, so if you love rose, you might just think it smells great. And this is the Rose Hip Treatment Facial Serum, Rose. So I'm gonna need to like read again about what I'm doing here. I think you just spritz and then use it, but I could be wrong. And I love that I like literally can't open this. Oh, there we go. I need to get back to the gym some more. Okay, so it has like a little thing, so we have to, okay, so it looks like you kind of gotta encourage it out. I like a subtle rose scent. Interesting. Huh. This will be fun to try. I really like that these things are small and that you can just sample them and stuff, because obviously you can get overwhelmed with products. So this will be a cute set to try. It's fun. So far we have the perfume, which really smells good, the bronzer cream, and the little set I just showed you. We have one last thing. Andalou Naturals Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk, $3. Vegan probiotics gently remove makeup and impurities, rinsing away dull surface cells and balancing skin. Apricot and borage oils rejuvenate dehydrated skin for a fresh, glowy complexion. 50 grams. So this is what it looks like. Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk, age-defying. It is 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 milliliters. Face care. It says to use AM and PM, apply to damp skin, gently massage and rinse clean. Easy enough. It's a face wash. Expires 12 months after opening, made in the USA, non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and 98% nature derived. Some of the main ingredients are aloe, barbadenus, leaf juice, water, sunflower seed oil, vegetable glycerin, apricot kernel oil, borage seed oil, CoQ10, vitamin C, coconut milk, white tea leaf extract. That just reminds me I made a tea and I totally left it downstairs and now it's getting cold. Vanilla and vanilla isolate and orange peel oil. There is a lot of ingredients, so that's not everything. But I'm excited for a face wash too, because that's actually one thing that I don't have a lot of. I do have a lot of other things that I'm trying to work through every day. But a face wash is something that I am not like overwhelmed with. So, okay. So, subtle, although I have a few things going on here piled on my hand, but this is, yeah, it seems like a really subtle face wash. So I think, you know, from what I understand, when you add water to it, it's going to get milky since it's a cleansing milk, but we'll see. That's just, I mean, that's all it is there. So that's everything, which is cool. Overall, we got the perfume, which is awesome, the bronzing cream, the little set of a serum and a hydrosol. Oh gosh, and a slippery face wash. So let's see here. I don't really want to do math on camera, but I think I can do this. $20 for the bronzing cream, $15 for the perfume. We're at $35. $10 for the Evan Healy thing. Wow, that seems very cheap. So we're at $45, and then $3 for the cleansing milk. So $48 value. And this averages about 20-ish a box, I believe. I have a year subscription, so I'm not exactly sure, but something like it's around that. 18, I think it's about 18 a month if you buy a year subscription. So that's everything. It was fun. I like unboxing things with you guys. It's like an easy little video to do. Try to keep it short, although I'm almost at 15 minutes. But after I use these things for a little while, I will do a review on how I've liked the products, and I will check in again with you guys. I will be probably, I need to still do my Clean Beauty box review of Earthwise Beauty, the December 2020 box, and it soon will be time for the next Clean Beauty box to come, and I'm hoping I might be able to unbox that with you guys before I see anything. So I just wanted to say thank you again for watching. I would love if you could give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I would love if you subscribe to my channel. I'm looking to get more subscribers and keep growing this because it's really been fun so far, and I'm hoping to just keep it rolling. So Happy New Year, everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye.